Welcome to the Riebo R10Pros camera data collection tutorial. This video will cover the features and operation of R10Pros. R10Pros is a high-performance single-lens camera for professional surveying. It is compatible with mainstream fixed-wing and rotary UAVs. Equipped with an advanced optical system and high-resolution sensor, R10Pros delivers high-quality orthophotos for various surveying needs. No preprocessing is required for GCP-free mapping. It supports real-time image transmission for instant mapping or modeling. Next, we will demonstrate the flight operation using the DJI M300 RTK. Flight planning. R10Pros comes with Riebo's AeroMap Pro software. In AeroMap Pro, create a new flight path. Enter the flight name and select the camera model. For first-time setup, go to Camera Management. The camera template is 102MP medium format. Add the camera named R10Pros. Set the camera type to single lens. Select the actual focal length of the delivered camera. Set the required flight parameters. After setting the camera and survey area, export the flight path to the M300 controller. Alternatively, plan the flight path manually on the controller. You can also import pre-prepared KML or KMZ files. Once the area is set, rename the task. Select Custom Camera and enter the R10Pros parameters. Photo resolution 11,648 × 8,736. Sensor size 43.8 × 32.8 millimeters. Enter the actual focal length. Minimum interval 1 second. Click Done. Set the flight altitude based on GSD requirements. Recommended speed 8 to 12 meters per second. To adjust overlap or flight angle, use advanced settings. Use distance triggering mode. Save the flight plan. Camera installation. Remove the gimbal interface cover. Align the gimbal's white dot with the drone's red dot. Insert it into place. Rotate the gimbal to the locked position. Remove the lens cap. Installation is complete. Power on and test shot. Turn on the M300 RTK and wait for auto start. Open the flight mission in the controller. Open DJI Pilot, tap the top right menu, select Payload Settings. Adjust shutter speed based on lighting conditions. Set ISO to 100 to 6400 auto. White balance, auto. Use daylight mode for uniform surfaces. After settings, take a test trigger. Ensure normal operation. Check if trigger counts matches feedback counts. If correct, proceed to mission. In the flight preparation interface, check fail-safe actions and battery status. Ensure a safe environment before takeoff. During flight, monitor the real-time camera feedback window. In DJI Pilot, tap the top right menu, open Real-Time Data in PSDK. The interface includes photo, parameter, and error panels. The photo panel displays the parameter panel includes the error panel shows camera error messages. Refer to the user manual for detailed parameter descriptions. Return and storage. After flight, power off the drone. The camera will shut down automatically. Press the gimbal unlock button. Rotate and remove the camera. Attach the lens and gimbal covers. Store the camera properly. Data download. R10 Pros embeds GPS or RTK data in photos. Remove the SD card and copy data directly. After copying the data, check if the photos are intact. If correct, format the SD card using default settings. Some UAVs require Skyscanner software. Refer to the user manual for details. Data processing. Context capture. In context capture, create a project and import images. Set the geoid to WGS84. Import the OPT parameters. DJI Terra. Create a project. Import downloaded photos and perform aerial triangulation. PIX 4D. Create a project and import images. Perform aerial triangulation. Versatile mounting. R10 Pro supports a detachable gimbal for mounting. It can adapt to different UAVs. The installation and removal process is as follows. Gimbal removal. Remove the 2 screws on the cable cover. Then remove the cover. Use tweezers to detach the power control cable. Carefully unplug it. Remove the fixing screws on both sides of the gimbal and camera. Be sure to remove the screws securing the gimbal and camera, not the gimbal itself. Keep all screws safe. Carefully unplug the USB-C connector and remove the camera. Gimbal installation. Insert the USB-C connector. Align the camera mounting holes with the gimbal holes. Ensure the power control cable side faces upward. Secure the camera and gimbal with fixing screws. Connect the power control cable. Press both ends to ensure a firm connection. The power connector has a specific orientation. Do not force installation. Install the cable cover and tighten the screws with a screwdriver. The gimbal installation is complete. This concludes the tutorial. Thank you for watching.